Hi, this is Jackie Phillips, and this is how to repair a face with makeup. Sometimes if you're out and about and maybe you're on a great date or you're out with your girlfriends and you go to the bathroom and you realize that your makeup is messed up, the best way to repair your face with makeup is to make sure you have a little foundation stick on you. And so if you do notice that maybe your circles are showing through, or if you have a little bit of red around your nose, or even if you get a little shiny, believe it or not, all you need to do is use a little foundation stick. I love the doll, they're my favorite. And you just hit the areas that are noticeably sticking out. So for me, I always notice that I tend to get a little red around my nose area, my chin, and obviously I do fight with my dark circles all the time. And then even if you get a little shiny through here, those are always my problem areas. So I notice when I go out, that doesn't last as well on me. It's very easy to repair your skin with makeup. Another little trick too is if, say your lipstick bleeds, all you need to do is go in and just clean it up with a little bit of this foundation stick too. Great trick. And if you wanted to make your lips look bigger, you go in here with the foundation stick and right above your lip, you create a highlight, and then voila, the lips look bigger. This is how to repair a face with makeup. I'm Jackie Phillips. To learn more about me, visit me at www.jackiephillips.tv.